The 2014 Ford F-150. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 5-liter 8-cylinder engine. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.